So I'm Zach Fry. I am the VP of Engineering at Arthur, and I am based in New York. As the VP of Engineering, oversee the entirety of the engineering organization, all the way from research and development through to users in production using the software. We build AI observability and monitoring product. Our goal, our mission is to really help our customers actually make their AI systems work. And a part of that, we believe, is you have to monitor and evaluate these AI systems continuously over time to understand what performance looks like, understand the impact that your changes have. We've been working with Upsolve for a little bit over a year. We approached them to help us build our product. We were looking for an integrated dashboarding solution, and they met all of the requirements. We had a version of our product that we had built where our front-end engineers were building and maintaining our visualizations and our dashboards, and we found that with a lot of our customers, there were a lot of requirements and requests that came in specifically around how they could manipulate and modify these visualizations. Upon reflection and sort of investigation, we realized that we were spending a significant amount of time of our engineering budget handling these requests from all of the customers. The decision we had to make was, do we decide to invest in these tools and build them all ourselves, which was likely going to be, a multi-month, multi-engineer effort and put us back in the same problem space that we were in, where we were now responsible for maintaining and developing all of these features and unique bespoke requirements for our customers. Or do we go with some wildly out-of-the-box, every feature is included product that didn't integrate well with our access control systems or didn't integrate well with, with our product? Our customer base is heavily concentrated in Fortune 500, really Fortune 100 companies. When you think about large enterprise customers, Fortune 100 companies, you think about these AI systems, I think there's a confluence of factors that result in requirements, meaning we have to be able to deploy our software into on-prem or customer managed or air-gapped environments. These are environments that we deploy our software into where our employees do not have direct access to these environments. We cannot observe them, we cannot troubleshoot them, we cannot configure them. We have to move through intermediaries at our customers to do this. As we were building out the capability, sort of a proof of concept way, we started with an open source off-the-shelf technology called Grafana. In particular, one of the things that we realized is that it's very difficult for us to map our own set of role-based access controls onto Grafana dashboards in a way that would secure the information that users are seeing in the product. When we were evaluating different products, different capabilities, we realized pretty quickly that there was nothing that was going to work for us out of the box. And that's at the point in time where I reached out to Sergey, who, the co-founder, CTO of Upsolve, and we started talking about, really the conversation started with what exists out there in the industry. He sort of pitched Upsolve to me. Talking more through the requirements, it became, sort of clear that Upsolve actually would meet all of these needs. And not only that, but it would be easy for us to integrate and easy for us to adopt, and sort of came out with all the capabilities that we needed. And as a result, I think it turned out that it was the obvious choice because it was really the only solution that allowed us to do what we were looking to do. During initial implementation and integration, to build a solution for us that allowed us to deploy on-prem. As we've been developing work for them, we've been really excited at some of the new features that they've been releasing, particularly around sort of like AI adoption and natural language to drive aspects of the dashboarding and reporting interfaces. This is a thing that our customers ask for all the time. So very excited about that feature in particular. Another one that Upsolve recently released that I think would be really exciting is their new data plane integrations, a feature which, allows the Upsolve product to integrate into applications like it already does today with database providers. And so we can see this providing an enormous amount of value in our product. We've really loved working with Upsolve. I think they're checking all of the boxes. It's been an absolute awesome partnership to work with them, and really looking forward to seeing where we take it in the future.